Why do we need to drink water? We need to drink water because it is essential for our bodies to function properly. Water is involved in many important bodily processes. These processes involved are as such: regulating body temperature, transporting nutrients and oxygen to cells, removing waste products from the body, and lubricating joints. When we drink water, it is absorbed by the cells in our bodies and helps to maintain the balance of fluids within and between cells. This is important for the proper functioning of organs such as the heart, lungs, kidneys, and brain. In addition to these important physiological functions, drinking water is also important for maintaining overall health and well-being. Drinking enough water can help to prevent dehydration, which can cause symptoms such as fatigue, headache, and dizziness. It can also help to promote healthy skin, aid in weight loss, and support digestive health. The amount of water a person needs to drink can vary depending on factors such as age, sex, body size, activity level, and climate. However, as a general guideline, it is recommended that adults drink at least 8 cups or 2 liters of water per day to maintain proper hydration. How is water used in the human body? Water plays a vital role in the human body and is involved in various physiological processes. Here are some key ways in which water is used. 1. Hydration. Water is essential for maintaining proper hydration levels in the body. It helps regulate body temperature, lubricates joints, and cushions organs and tissues. 2. Transportation of nutrients. Water acts as a medium for transporting nutrients, such as vitamins, minerals, and glucose, to cells throughout the body. It enables the absorption, circulation, and distribution of these essential substances. 3. Removal of waste products. Water is involved in the excretion of waste products from the body. It helps flush out toxins and waste materials through urine, sweat, and bowel movements, promoting proper kidney function. 4. Digestion. Water is necessary for the digestion and absorption of food. It helps break down food particles, facilitates the movement of food through the digestive tract. Also, it aids in the absorption of nutrients in the intestines. 5. Maintenance of electrolyte balance. Electrolytes, such as sodium, potassium, and chloride, are crucial for various bodily functions. For example, it is needed for nerve signaling, muscle contraction, and pH regulation. Water helps maintain the balance of electrolytes in the body, allowing these processes to occur efficiently. 6. Lubrication. Water serves as a lubricant for joints, allowing smooth movement and reducing friction between bones and cartilage. It also lubricates the eyes, mouth, and other mucous membranes, preventing dryness and maintaining their proper function. 7. Temperature regulation. Water helps regulate body temperature through processes like sweating and evaporation. When you sweat, water on the skin's surface evaporates, dissipating heat and cooling the body. 8. Cognitive function. Proper hydration is important for maintaining optimal cognitive function. Even mild dehydration can impair concentration, memory, and overall cognitive performance. It is essential to drink an adequate amount of water every day to support these functions and maintain overall health. The exact water requirements can vary depending on factors such as age, activity level, climate, and overall health. Consulting with a healthcare professional can provide personalized recommendations based on your specific circumstances. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.